Welcome back to the channel. Just a quick update. I was not putting out any updates for April, but May will come and start to be warmer, start to be a little greener, and I have to start doing a lot of things. Yesterday I just take out the ES250 standing behind here. I have to start do something with this. I have some problems that I have a lot of parts, and they start to be, that's very positive both for this one and the Soaria. It started right off, no problem whatsoever. So I'm going to clean up some place in the garage, and I have to put the ES250 in the garage because I need to see if I can fix the washer fluid engine. Sorry about the bad light. Washer fluid engine on this car is not blowing water, so that is not going to go through the MOT control, and some other small things I have to check. So I think about cleaning up a little here now, put it in. I also have to take down the other side of the house here. Yeah, I have changed some winter tires and I have to clean up, of course. The Soaria was starting up right away. Yeah, then the Lexus ES250 is back in the garage. I haven't been there for a long time. One problem seems to be get an exhaust leak, but I also start to get some rust here, so I have to find a solution. But the tank for the window wipers is not blowing anything up. I have a new engine pump lying for that one, so I have to, but it seems like I have to get in the back here. It's a very small space, so I have to lift it up and see a little more. Last winter it was get a tent that was prepared to hold it, but the wind was coming so strong. Here it was a wooden big thing falling over the car, but also on the other side back it get scratched from the tent was just lifting off the whole shit. So yeah, didn't go as planned. Now I'm just see when I have time again and I can start to lift up this one. The Land Cruiser, we moved it from one place of the house and moved it around. Cleaned up some rims here, red stuff. I have some video of that was working on some other. I have some Land Cruiser wheels that are going on that one, and sadly the wheels I was using on the E-Golf, the E-Golf is dead. It's sad to say, it's dead completely. Now the Land Cruiser come back on this side. So, but now I found out another problem. I think I'm losing brake fluid, so I have some leak on that one too, and we have the turbo shit. The Soaria did start up without any problem. It's moved around and everything. That car I've been there for years after years after years. So I'm just waiting for better rules to be allowed to put on plates on Japanese cars. When that come in, I'm going to get the Soaria back on the road. So, I had some other plans to fix up some of the other old cars. The Lexus LS400 is in the back side of the house here. It's supposed to get in and put on some part. I already have some part for it that I bought many years ago. I have changed a lot too. But we have to see when this is finished. And yeah, the As I was saying, tonight we drive over my son's Celica 2000 model to the repair place and put it there so they can take a look at what I've been doing with the exhaust and the handbrake and one light bulb. So the battery was dying completely, so I bought a new battery on that car too. But my big problem now is going to be the youngest boy is trying to get into the national team in basketball, U16 youth team, and we have to go in many practices down in Oslo. It's 500 kilometers to drive one way, so I'm going to be using a lot of time away from Trondheim and Melhus and drive south to the capital of Norway. For guys who don't know it so well, it's where we are in the middle of Norway, we call it. It's not the middle, but it's further up in the country, and Oslo is the capital, is further south. So, but there is where the national team is training, so we have to go there for him to get his possibility to get out to play Scandinavian Championship and European Championship Division B basket U16. Yeah, so it's going to be a lot for me to do this summer, but please come back, please follow the channel, please look over all the other videos. Soon it's going to be 700 now, so I'm coming back with a video when I start one evening here to check out more about this car here. Yeah, thank you, please follow, please put a like, please put comments. Thank you.